Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making.
Hello everyone.
What's up, YouTube?
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have Dunkin Donuts.
And guess what? We got spicy Dunkin Donuts.
We have a couple spicy, the hot pepper, whatever it is, donuts. It's called the hot pepper, right? The ghost pepper. The ghost pepper donuts. We only got two because we wanted to just try it, and just in case it ended up being nasty, you know. Anywho,
we also got normal donuts because we're not just gonna have spicy ones.
But hold on, y'all want to take the thumbnail first?
Sure.
Thumbnail over.
Wait, let's not eat it. Let's just be like.
Here, can you see it? Hold on, let's put it up. So
Back in my
put them up. No, we gotta put it up so you can see it.
All right.
Next to this. All right. All right. That should be a good thumbnail. All right.
Y'all see this? And then look at the two ghost peppers.
I think we should still pray on them before we eat them.
But they're donuts. They're not food.
You're still eating it. When something's wrong with it. Still gotta pray for all of it. The stuff to eat. Alright, y'all ready? Don't close it all the way. You don't close it all the way because we're gonna be right back at it. Amen.
Amen.
And amen again.
You would say that.
Yep. Alright. And I actually got a couple pieces of snacking bacon to try it for us. Just bacon in a little snack bag. Y'all want to try that first? Oh, it don't look like they cooked it like really crispy.
Oh,
right?
I like crispy. They cooked it raw.
Huh?
They cooked it raw. Some people like it like kind of raw, but I like mine crispy. Looks. Snack and bacon. I can't see. Register order tea.
It's actually really sweet. It's good. But it's not crunchy. I like crunchy bacon. You want one piece?
You want to actually try some?
Huh?
That's not even slightly crispy.
And you got the little crispy piece.
I'll taste this little crispy piece. This little slightly
Here you go,
crispy
Pop.
piece. There's supposed to be a crunch. And why is it sweet? Is there like maple syrup on this?
I think it's like a maple.
So I can touch your mother.
Okay, I'm gonna eat all of them.
You said mother.
My mother? Yeah.
You said mom.
So it's the same thing.
It was so weird. You never
Alright, try
did
yours,
that.
Pop.
Oh no, I had milk not because it'll be spicy. I just like milk with donuts.
And I have iced coffee.
Iced coffee.
I got chocolate milk.
That's what it was. I thought that was mommy's coffee. I should have gotten some.
What?
We told, so she still didn't hear it when I said it.
That was rude.
Sure thought about it.
Her milk. You didn't show them your white milk. Let's hear you show them your chocolate.
Alright, what are you doing?
I'm gonna show it.
Anyway, we're going to actually try.
Like I'm jealous.
We're going to try them. I think I should take this top. Let me see if I can move it.
That's inconvenient.
That's inconvenient. I'm about to take this off. Want me to rip it off?
No, that is convenient.
Oh, no, because then it's going to be more left. Oh, okay. Yeah. So,
I'm going to cut it.
y'all ready for the hot one? The ghost pepper.
Sure, just be careful.
We're just going to take a piece of it because I didn't really know how it was going to taste. If somebody didn't like it, it'd be a waste. So I got a dozen of different donuts to try. And we're not going to have a sugar rush today because we're definitely not going to eat all of these donuts, right?
Mm-hmm. It's not real food.
She don't care. She wants a sugar rush.
I was hungry earlier, but she got to me and told me, asked me want to do this, and I told her about it's not real food. But try to be nice.
So you're just in the video. Alright, I cut it into thirds.
Alright, so everybody, let's try the ghost pepper. Oh, look at your napkins.
I'm nervous. Ooh, that bacon really spoiled it. Hold on, I'm gonna drink some milk and I'm gonna see if the taste goes away so it can be all fresh.
You said the bacon spoiled it?
Bacon and milk is not good. But I washed it down, so I'm ready.
That's why I didn't get a lot of bacon with this, because I knew it wasn't going. Everybody wasn't gonna like it. This your napkin. All right, everybody ready to get their little piece? Try that one.
So I'll pick yours first.
Then we're gonna give our opinions on it. All right, let's say right.
You want some of mine?
There you go.
It looks bad on camera, but it looks pretty good here.
Here we go.
Sorry, I'm about to show mine because it's the same thing as yours.
All right. Anywho, let's try it, guys.
It's kind of weird because it smells like a normal donut. It's so good, but it's gonna be spicy.
Let's see if it's a little bit spicy. All right, you ready? Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can taste it at the end. At first, I thought it was a normal donut.
It's a little spicy.
It's really good. But then it's like not like as spicy as like you know how normal stuff gets spicy your whole mouth. Just like spicy on like the back of your tongue.
But it's good. What do you give it? A 1. Start with Nasir. What you get? 1 out of 10.
7.
And this is for the taste.
The taste?
7.
8.5.
We'll give about an 8. It's okay.
So we're number apart. Good.
Okay. Anybody else want any more of the ghost pepper? Or you want to try another one?
I can deal with it. What?
So we're all sharing every single lesson?
No, just pick your own. The next one. We just wanted to test that one. Because I know everybody was going to like it. You drinking your milk? All right, let's pick our next donut.
Milk stash.
She has a stash, everyone. All right, let's pick another donut.
I want chocolate.
We got chocolate.
It's chocolate.
Let's see which one you pick.
Normally when we have like that one chocolate donut, normally it's so small, but today it's big and I'm happy.
You're happy?
And especially I love it when it has glaze on it.
You showed them your glaze?
Well, I didn't show them the glaze. This is the most part with glaze on it.
That's your grab yours. I just wanted a plain.
No glaze, no nothing.
Yeah, like this.
You can pick whatever you want.
It's not like this. Why you don't?
I'll try. I'll have
that's
the other.
so cool.
I have the other
I can
ghost
actually
pepper.
see through it.
Maybe please eat our donuts.
Yeah, eat your donuts.
All right.
Oh, you're eating another ghost pepper.
So what are we doing today?
I'm about to eat lunch after this.
You gonna try this?
Yes.
You're ready. You're hungry, huh?
I have a test.
This is just a snack, right?
Yeah, snack. A snack.
I have a test for school today.
So she's gonna be doing a test today. I'm probably going to watch Christmas movies because I'm in the Christmas spirit.
Oh my god.
Why not Thanksgiving? Come on.
I was watching so many Christmas movies last night.
You want to watch Thanksgiving movies?
Yeah.
I don't think.
It's never.
There's like barely any Thanksgiving movies. There's nothing special about it besides having fun with your family.
What do you guys want to eat for Thanksgiving?
Apple pie, ice cream, and some whipped cream on top.
Just a snack.
That's what we had last year when we went to my
But I'm
grandma's
saying,
house.
you still want a snack? I'm
For
talking about as
food
far
food?
as a meal. Now, say what you want
I
for
want
Thanksgiving.
Fried chicken.
You want fried chicken?
fried Kentucky chicken.
What do you want as a snack?
I want.
Not serious. You said your snack.
I'm talking about a meal.
I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know yet.
What do
know
you want?
I'm sorry, I don't know what foods go with Thanksgiving. Sorry, I don't know what foods go with Thanksgiving.
All the foods that go things. You know, it's like your turkeys. Remember how?
Yeah, that's what I was
Macaroni and
gonna
cheese.
say. I'm
Okay.
trying to tell you what I want for my meal.
Go
I
ahead.
want some turkey, some mashed potato,
He really don't know because we be
Some
eating
mashed potato.
macaroni and stuff throughout the year.
mashed potato and gravy. I want turkey, mashed potato and gravy, and some macaroni. And pop special cake.
I think we're getting extra spicy now since I ate the whole thing. You know what I want?
What?
I don't really care for turkey because it gets dried out really quick.
I just don't like stuffing in turkey. Like, I've had it before, but I don't know why I don't like stuffing.
I think I'm gonna try the stuffing with cornbread in it. It's gonna be like gonna be a nice taste. But
You know what I really, really want for Thanksgiving?
what?
Pop's cake. It's the best.
She want my dad cake. My dad usually make cakes.
And it's
Something
delicious.
sweet, another snack.
Yeah, but his cakes that he makes is the most delicious cake in the world. And normally I don't like vanilla like that, but it's the best vanilla cake. I like chocolate
Snacks.
cake, but oh, just tell him what's my favorite part.
Can I tell them what I want to eat for Thanksgiving? Oh, my mouth is a little. You got a little bite to it. All right, you know what? I want to like a Cornish hen or something. I don't want ham. I mean, that's part of the Thanksgiving thing too, to eat the ham.
Oh, I hate ham during Thanksgiving.
But
I hate ham during anything.
I want to have the Cornish hens, some baked macaroni and cheese, some
Double
cabbage
egg.
or collard greens, deviled eggs, some of Nene's, what you call it? She make the, she make the stuffing, the shrimp stuffing.
You mean catering?
The
Because I
shrimp
call
stuffing.
it.
Yeah, the shrimp stuffing. She makes that, and that's really, really good. So I'm gonna see if I can talk my sister into making that for Thanksgiving. And I don't know what else, because now they're trying to say you shouldn't have that many people around for this stuff that's going on this virus. So I don't know. We usually go somewhere. I mean, it don't be that many people. It don't be over the amount you can't have.
We
so.
always have Thanksgiving, and then like a bunch of family comes over.
Yeah. And guys, you can't eat no more donuts. I know you can.
Oh.
I can't.
I'm trying to burp because I usually burp. I can
Eat more after you burp?
yes.
Do you need to get you another drink?
How should I finish my drink?
Mm-hmm.
How should I finish my drink?
I just looked over there.
Which one do you guys want?
You could drink some Coca-Cola.
I can't eat no more sweets.
So I want any more? Which one do you want? I know you want the pink.
Or some glaze.
You have the blue. So I can have this
See
one.
if I can find some crunchy parts of the bacon.
Oh yeah, I forgot to give you guys a
It's still sweet. I heard it's the bacon no more.
This is pumpkin.
pumpkin.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Pumpkin.
That's pumpkin donut. It's
Pumpkin.
good.
Yeah,
There's a
pumpkin.
pumpkin
Yeah,
donut.
pumpkin.
You showed him? Show him the bite part. The bite part, yeah. Yeah. That thing look good too. It's like it's moist.
Can I try some?
Try
I
what?
don't know what it tastes like. I never had it. Just a small little piece.
You didn't even pick it.
Just take a bite. Just take a bite. You don't have to do it.
Knowing her. She can eat all these donuts.
I'm gonna bring down the pig.
You breaking down the pink? You're not gonna be able to taste it. Drink some milk first.
I was about to eat it.
And you're spilling.
It's because I was in a rush.
In a rush to eat more and more sweets.
I think this might be my
It
last
is pumpkin.
This might be my last one.
But I don't taste like exactly pumpkin. I kind of taste like pumpkin spice.
Or pumpkin spice.
Mm-hmm.
Something nice.
You're right.
That's why I said. All right, let's see.
So what you
That's good. That's no, she gonna eat it still. She just holding it there.
All right. Let's put it on her napkin.
It's convenient because it's right in front of her.
You thought we were gonna put it on my napkin.
Did you really think so? Yeah, I just like donuts. I
Starting to
can't
get a little
eat too many of them.
I'm starting to get a little full.
And then you won't want to eat nothing. I'm so glad she don't have practice today, so I don't have to take her and pick her up late night. So she thinks she's gonna eat snacks all day, but that's not the case. It's not. I think she's done snacks for the day because she's gonna have a sugar rush.
Y'all eat, I don't really eat like sugar things that much either. So
Yeah.
Y'all like trying to stay lean. Yeah, not skinny, just average weight.
I should have thought about that a long time ago because I done passed lean, average, medium. I passed all those sizes. Eating snacks, of course. Eating.
So we're ending this video right here?
Now when you get older, the weight don't go away as fast. So guys, protect your bodies while you're younger.
So we're going to end this video here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on those post notifications so you know when our next video will be uploaded.
Okay, exactly what she said. Until next time, see ya!
Bye.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think